And the main techniques used on glue by Bicep are on the strings, plays only on the low mid section in the first verse, but in the chorus it opens up, a new filter takes over where it opens up the higher mid frequencies and it stutters a bit, receiving a signal from a groovy trigger. In this case I've got like a Juno synth, but this could be any groovy trigger, but it has to be groovy obviously, that's the main thing. And other than that, I think the attack also automated a bit by an LFO, that's a good technique. Also gives it more of that dynamic, lively feel. And that's pretty much the strings. For the Vox, also we have an automation going on where we have the a 909 hat triggering, or the hat pattern with some slight variation of it, triggering the Vox. And the Vox is playing in harmony. And then the bass is also playing in harmony with these other elements, and also it has a dynamic automation going on where basically same as the strings, we've got the attack being modulated by an LFO as well to give it that dynamic, that sway, the instability that makes it more lively. And furthermore, it is also, the filter is also being automated by an envelope follower. So it gives it that live feel, as if it's performed live. And that is at the essence of this record. This is why it strikes such a memory. And bring it all together with the drums. And that's essentially, that's the heartbeat, that's the core of a Bicep record, is the liveliness that comes together through all of the elements. On the drums in this case, also it has an automation. It's not as drastic as the other elements, it's more subtle. It's basically a a high pass filter that takes away the kick and then brings it in. Ooh, maybe it did not sound there for some reason. I remember doing it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's kind of there. It's very subtle, as I said. Yeah, yeah, you feel the kick bounces in. So also the drum segment has got its own lively dynamic automation, which is more subtle than the other three elements. But in total, all four elements are dynamic. They all have got their own parameters that makes them each feel like they're being performed, essentially. So that's it, that's Bicep Glue. Go download the template from turtlevisions.com and remake it yourself, or take inspiration and make a totally new Bicep style tune, or even your own curve bends on what's in the template. Hope you enjoyed this. Follow us on our social accounts and keep an eye for the next upcoming videos.